Thanks again for joining us on our Sales Tools webinars, and today we're going to be looking at the templating and auto scheduling tool. A very powerful tool that we put into this Sales Tools, something that we think that you can get a lot of use out of. So again, once we're logged in, we can click on the My Lists, and we're going to create a list. And to show you how to use this tool, I'm going to start with something that's very, very simple. So we're just going to go ahead and click on a format. And then we're just going to click on board books. So we're only interested in the board books, and we're going to create this list. We'll name it board books. And now instead of creating it and clicking on it and opening it up, we're going to go ahead and set a template for it. So a template is simply what that means is a pattern or design that you create in order to be able to replicate something over and over again. And the idea behind this for a template here is that if you've got something that's a list that you call for that's fairly complicated, you have several attributes on it, maybe it's a specific publisher tied in with a certain format and you want to derive on a certain date, then this gives you all that ability to go ahead and build all that stuff into your list, and then you can save it, and then you can run that over and over again, and it saves you from having to go back and recreate all those attributes. So again, this is a real simple example. We would challenge you to be as creative on this as you like and think about all the different ways that you might be able to use this and create these specific lists for yourself. But simply once you're ready to go, you can go ahead and set your reoccurrence pattern. So we can say that we're going to do this weekly, and you can start date. Your end date is set indefinitely, so whatever you like there. You can have it sent to yourself every week, but if you wanted to change that to go bi-weekly, you just simply put 2 in there, and now it'll come every other week. Again, pick the day that you want to have it sent on. You could even have it come to you multiple times during the week if you like. So again, a lot of flexibility here to do it however you like. If you wanted it sent to you monthly, we would just click on that. These things will change a little bit, but now you can have it sent to you, every month, or if you wanted to send it every second month, whatever you like there again. And then just put in the day number that you want it, the date that you want it put on. So if you want on the first day of the month, you want the 10th day of the month, whatever you like there, you go ahead and change that up. So again, then important as we move down here, we make sure we got our email address in here. We'll have a subject. We filled that out for you already, but feel free to change that if you like. And then whatever message that you want to add in here. And you can go ahead and create that. Once you create that, now you've got a template in here. So this is one template that we've created now. It's our board book list. And then we've got, again, we can click on this and it'll even give us a quick breakdown of what our schedule is going to be. So it's starting on April 8th. It's going to be sent every week on a Monday. So that gives us an idea of what our schedule is set. If you want to change that up, all you have to do is go over here and click on edit, and then that'll allow you to go ahead and modify that again. So just some other things that you can use for different ideas. If you wanted to go ahead again and create a list, and you wanted to set it by arrival date. So this is an interesting way that you can go ahead and use that auto scheduler. So if we wanted to have it sent to us arrival date every week, so now we have a weekly list on a product that just come in on every week. And again, we can add all kinds of other layers to that. So say for instance, it's a specific publisher and maybe it's a specific format, and I just want to see what's come in the past week from those things, and I can go ahead and set that arrival date, and then we can move that forward again. And then once we're done that, now we can go ahead and create our template, and now we can go ahead and say, let's send this to us every week. So now we're going to have a weekly list sent to us of everything that's come in based on our attributes that have just arrived inside of that week. And so then again, you just schedule that, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. You schedule it and then leave it to us to again send you those reminders to come back and check those lists as often as you have requested that. So that's the power of using the auto scheduler and the templating tool. And again, we challenge you to be as creative as you like with this. Set this up. Make your lists as detailed as you like. There's lots of different ways you can modify these, and we think you would find this to be very useful. Thanks again for watching this.